this is definitely the place to be. Pagudpud Beach. See off in the distance. Pagudpud town. And then right off in the distance you got the windmills. There they are. There's the restaurant and resort. Some of the boats. And here's some of the beautiful Pagudpud scenery.
Wow! Pagudpud scenery tayo yun. That's us. Po? Ah, souvenir.
Yeah, ay.
Okay na daw? Oh, sige.
There's a restaurant. We're going to be having dinner in here. Way, I'm getting splashed by the waves. Here at Pagudpud Beach. Up here. Come on, jump in! Jump in, jump in! Jump in! Push her, push her! Come on, wrestler, dive in! What a beautiful spot. I think we should have come here for a holiday one day. There's the hotel back there. The beach here is very, very soft. I'm going to try the water. Oh, wow. Too soft. Hey, you're up. We're leaving Pagudpud.
I'm sorry, we are in Pagudpud. Getting pagod na pagod.
What do you have to say on the documentary show?
Hi, I'm Solly. We're here in Pagudpud, getting pagod na pagod because it took us, I think, 3 hours to get here from Cabugao. Just to eat lunch. Just to eat lunch. Just to have lunch.
And look at the beautiful scenery. Look at that, huh? We've got to come here for a holiday one day. Bring Daniel and Andrew. Just relax in the beautiful beach, beautiful scenery.
Naka-aircon kami dito.
Just got the window open. Hang on, look.
Just do your documentary first.
I'm just filming Barangay Pagudpud.
Barangay Saud.
Oh, Barangay Saud. It's the town. Okay, see, look, beautiful place.
Ano ilapit mo ako? Sabi ko, baby. Haligin yan, meron pa rin siya. Ano pa nasa museum na yun? Hindi, nandun pa rin siya nakatayo.